days. Thank God I finally found a better way. Thank God I finally found a better way. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another one. This one is going to be just about a general walkthrough on what I do. Okay, so yeah, just what I do, guys. So if you do something else, then hey, it's all good. But let me go ahead and get my light again. So I went ahead and did a walkthrough already with the customer, and let me hunt down my light again. All right, generally what I do is just kind of do a walkthrough with the customer. So I always have my light to make sure that even though they may think there's no pet problems, and a lot of times I find it anyway. So let's turn it around. So as you can tell, initially walking around here, I do over the phone estimates, but I never pretty much guarantee that phone estimate. So as you can tell, a lot of color here, and also a lot of pet stains here. So as I'm doing a walkthrough, or if I do a walkthrough and the customer's not walking with me, I'll call the customer and just show her the situation and offer pet treatment. So they had dogs a long time ago. They don't have dogs anymore, or they have a dog that's never up here anymore. So because of the money, you know, I understand that she didn't want to go ahead with the pet treatment, but I did let her know, and I did tell her, you know, if we clean it, it could be a chance of pet's odor coming back up. So that's the right way of doing it. She passed on it, and I also let her know all this color, it's all specialty stuff, you know, that's not going to come out with the cleaning. And just pointing all those situations out for her before I even started. That way she has no surprises. This one's not that bad. And also, we did have to add a little bit more because she didn't mention the hallway, and it's a large hallway. So we did have to raise the price a little bit for her. But that's basically it. Just doing a walkthrough with the customer, letting her know the situations in general, what to expect. And she said that apparently this is here when she moved in. So yeah, we're gonna get started. Brenda's already vacuuming ahead of me, getting everything set up. Stay tuned. So I have this product right here. It's a non-gel. I don't like gel products. I hate gel products. It works too slow. I'm a quick mover when it comes to cleaning. So this right here works really good on most paint. Sometimes, you know, not. Just, you can't guarantee anything on paint removal. I'm not charging them for this, but if I could just spray this stuff on there and it breaks up easy and extracts, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to put this up here next to all that color. I also see what maybe ink and stuff like that, so I'll also just kind of put this in that general area and kind of spray it, let it dwell for a second. Usually hot water extraction, it'll just kind of rinse right out really easy. Now if I have to stop and actually stop my work and really put some work into doing this color kind of stuff, yes, I do charge. It's not free. All right, so, you know, all my decisions are 100% concrete. So I'm not gonna waste all my chemicals. That's too much chemicals to not charge for. So I'm not gonna do that. If I think it's a neat spot, I will do that. But as far as, I mean, if I get it with a, you know, a little bit of red here, I mean, you still got all that. So some people don't have the budget for that, but you got to realize we don't do this for free. And these solutions, chemicals cost money. That $50 by the time it gets to your door. Seems like a lot of money, but if you charge it correctly, it makes you a lot of money also. There's just too many random stains up in here. Just going over areas with the remaining amount of pre-spray I mixed up. I'm pretty good at mixing this stuff up to where it's a perfect amount. So you're gonna go ahead and pre-scrub with the Namco. We got that going again. There's a gear in there is plastic. It strips out all the time. You gotta be very careful with it. I meant to do a video on it. I was right in the middle of doing a video on it, and they sent me the wrong gears. So I just said, it took me like a half hour trying to put the gear on before I realized it was the wrong gear. But I'll do a video next time I replace this. Very easy. I don't mess with gel stuff. Gel stuff takes way too long. Why do you even invent that stuff? I don't get it. There's some of those start little things. Here's that little white scrubber. Knock that off right there. Jobs like this is when you really love that heat, or depend on the heat. Alright guys, so this is it. Colors staying, everything else was pretty dang good. But there's a, I don't know what it is, but it lightened up with my organic treatment. I did a post spray on it. Other than that, that's all we can do for this. This is total restore clean. I should have charged a little bit more for this job, even though I didn't get all the color out. But a lot of it did come out.
Well, I'm seeing you just fight, I guess It is what
All right.
it is. Ever since I'm a kid,
See you guys in the next one.
I'm really thinking I'm cursed. Thank God I finally found a better way. 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 Thank God I finally found a better way.